السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم في قناتنا الإنجليزية مع حسن واحد. المكان الذي سوف تتعلم فيه اللغة الإنجليزية بأسلوب بسيط ممتع وفعال. هنا نشرح القواعد بطريقة سهلة، نتمرن على الإنجليزية الأكاديمية الحقيقية ونتعلم نطق الكلمات بالطريقة الصحيحة خطوة بخطوة وبثقة. سواء كنت مبتدئ أو تريد تطوير مستواك فأنت في المكان الصحيح. اشترك الآن وابدأ على بركة الله.
Subject pronouns and object pronouns to improve your English. So subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Why do we call them subject pronouns? Because the subject is the person or the thing that makes the action. So we say the subject is the doer of the action, the person who does the action. For example, if I say I speak, so I is the doer of the action, the I that speaks. And we have object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. So object pronouns, they come directly after the verb. Sometimes there is a preposition between the verb and the object pronouns. We are going to see these examples. Now, sometimes the students, they don't know which pronoun to use. So to use I or me. You is the same. To use he or him. To use she or her. To use it, it's the same. To use we or us. To use you, the same, sorry. To use they or them. If you see very well that I've written subject pronouns with capital letter. Why? Because they come at the beginning of the sentence. And object pronouns, I wrote them with small letters. Why? Because they never come at the beginning of the sentence. So with the exception of you and it and her. So these three, because as object pronouns, they never come at the beginning. Because because we have two pronouns, you is subject pronoun and you object pronouns. So as object pronouns, they never come at the beginning of the sentence. Let's continue. The position of the subject pronouns in a sentence in English. The position of subject pronouns in a sentence in English is always before the verb. This point is very important. So subject pronouns always come before a verb. So I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks, it speaks, we speak, you speak, they speak. So always they come before a verb. Remember this point. It's very, very important. Let's continue. What's the position of object pronouns in a sentence in English? The position of object pronouns in a sentence in English is always after the verb. This point is also very, very important. Remember, object pronouns always come after a verb. So me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them always come after a verb. For example, you help me, I help you, I help him, I help her, I help it, you help us, I help you, we help them. So these, they come after a verb. Let's see examples. Now we are going to use she as a subject pronoun. She knows me. Can we say she knows I? No. I always come before the verb, not after the verb. So what I want from you in today's lesson is to know when to use I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, and when to use me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Subject pronouns always before the verb and object pronouns always after the verb. So let's see these examples. She knows me. She sees you. She understands him. Can we say she understands he? No. Why? Because he always comes before the verb, not after the verb. So this is the rule. If you know that subject pronouns, we use them before the verb, and object pronouns, we use them after the verb. It's very simple. We continue. He helps us. She loves them. Let's repeat after me these examples. She knows you. She knows me, sorry. She sees you. She understands him. She helps us. She loves them. Let's see the negative form. She doesn't know me. She doesn't see you. She doesn't understand him. She doesn't help us. She doesn't love them. Let's repeat after me. She doesn't know me. She doesn't see you. She doesn't understand him. She doesn't help us. She doesn't love them. Let's see the same in the question form. Does she know me? Does she see you? Does she understand her? So her, it means another girl. So if we say, does she understand him? It means a boy. But when we say her, it means a girl. So a girl understands a girl. So does she understand her? Does she help us? Does she love them? Let's repeat after me. Does she know me? Does she see you? Does she understand her? Does she help us? Does she love them? Let's see more examples. Now we have different verbs and we have different pronouns, or especially object pronouns. We have the same subject pronoun, we. We need you. We listen to him. We wait for her. We go with you. We come with them. Let's repeat after me. We need you. We listen to him. We wait for her. We go with you. We come with them. Let's see the negative form. We don't need you. We don't listen to him. We don't wait for her. We don't go with you. We don't come with them. Let's repeat after me. We don't need you. We don't listen to him. We don't wait for her. We don't go with you. We don't come with them.